Guys, welcome, man. You're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at speed dating, and more specifically, The Button. I don't know if you guys have seen that series on Cut, but this one is titled When Your Speed Date Thinks You're Ugly. So I know it's going to be hilarious. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you would do if this happened to you on a speed date. I'm just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
You too.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh, shit. Bro, they didn't even get a chance to sit down. Okay, I get it. You think he's beat. Oh, but like, damn, be a little like, you know, nicer about his shit.
Turn red yet?
No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. How old are you?
Bro, that is so wicked. And she's like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like,
6. How old are you?
35.
I don't believe you.
Because I look younger.
You look older.
I look older than 35?
low key, I don't know.
Yes. This man! I don't mean to be rude.
You call me old!
Not only did he call you old, he said you look fucking old.
I do see you as a friend, though. No!
He beat your ass to it.
So I am, what do you call a furry?
Okay.
I did it first. Sorry.
Go harder.
You seem lovely.
I mean, nobody told you to come in a goddamn husky costume.
Very creative person, I guess.
So what? Why?
You're not cute, sorry.
Ouch.
Do you consider yourself
Yo, I've never seen, I don't remember seeing these in one episode, but it's just funny because they're all together. Like, damn.
a skater?
You know what?
Only when I light up
Brother, you didn't get the memo? It has to turn red.
red, can you press me?
Oh no.
Yeah,
Shit.
wow.
This is awkward. I'm dying.
I mean, I was vibing and
Shit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You like the Cure?
yeah, I think you're cute.
And you still lost out?
Thank you. I'm actually a sex worker.
You two have similar vibes.
They look related. Yo, that picture of Messi is funny.
Okay. You're in the army?
I was in the army, yeah.
What do you do for fun?
Video games.
Video games?
What the fuck?
Girls don't like that guys play video games because when they think about it, they're like, oh yeah, that's all he does all day. But at the end of the day, you know that's all he's doing. He ain't doing shit else, right? Or that. I mean, he could be doing that too.
Okay. There's more to life than video games.
Okay. Oh, this guy's just slapping everybody.
I've heard about you though.
Get out, yeah. Once he told you that he heard about you, you must have known that that was gonna come out. You know what I'm saying?
I don't want peace.
I want problems. I know
always.
what it is, man.
We could be friends.
Self-proclaimed
I wouldn't
cat
even. I
lady.
wouldn't. Let her.
So I spend a lot of times with my cats.
Cats are dope.
Oh.
Wasn't attracted to her.
So what? Why?
Quick question.
Yes.
Do you like SpongeBob?
Nigga, what? I mean, sure, you can ask that, but not on a first date, I don't think.
Hey.
It was the button lit up, and I was ready. I'm sorry.
When they try to be polite. She's ready for you to get the fuck out of here.
I'm Joel.
Nice to meet you. It was a little bit like forced.
Forrest, you guys didn't even talk!
Okay. What turns you guys on?
Yes.
It's like, oh, he can fix something.
Ryan fixes things.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I really like to dance.
Yo, that Malcolm X one is funny! I have to get that. I have to get that clip. I'm tapping that button immediately after seeing her do that shit. There's no way this can go on. Like, what the fuck?
By this time, I usually have had like 2 Red Bulls or something like that.
Okay.
I tried to get
Bro, when they hit the button
Anna
on them,
doesn't
it's too
wash
funny.
her bed sheets very often.
Bed bugs in
We're
this
talking
bitch.
like 2 weeks.
Maybe like.
I love how his hand is so close and he's trying to pretend like, you know. Brother! Oh my god. You slipped. You slipped up, man.
Did
really
you kill
slippity.
that leopard?
Don't call me a poacher, but I might have.
Oh, please.
I don't
think
find you
that's-
funny.
The creator once said, "Don't trust a woman in fake leopard."
No.
Well, this is going really well.
I'm dead.
See you on Bumble.
Sorry.
What the what kind of exit is that?
I
Give me an
won't do it
example.
quickly if you don't do it quickly.
Okay. Wait, sometime. Now it's like a stand.
I think it's a tie, so we're gonna reject both of you.
Yeah, get the hell out of here.
Oh.
That makes sense.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, sir. Like,
Why shouldn't someone date me?
Yeah.
I mean, I have a lot of Legos like at my house.
yep, that's a good
Nowhere.
reason.
Ha
That's fucking weird.
I like to
I-
dance.
What kind of dancing?
All of it.
All of it?
Funk music's good.
Oh, shit.
That's crazy. That's crazy. He knew from jump. He definitely knew from jump. That shit is crazy.
So, I am
Is
a
it a
furry.
sex thing?
It is definitely not just a sex thing. It's not.
Have you had sex wearing that?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting.
Brother, you can't see. Like,
into that.
You got tats too.
With you, yeah. Can I still show them or no?
that is by far the most fucked up one I've seen. The man was getting ready to show you his tats and you just X'd him like that? These wicked creatures.
He might be old for me. Just guessing.
Oh, okay.
You could have asked.
Do you find me attractive?
I do not. But you seem funny.
Yeah. Oh, she's right on the button. You're not hitting that first. Bro, she just told you she found you beat. Why wouldn't you put your hand close to the button? I don't understand these people.
I haven't had sex for a really long time. Isn't really a big deal for me, and I understand.
Well, because I was
I would,
bullied
if somebody did that to my ripped jeans, I would slap the shit out of them. I wanted them ripped. I didn't ask you to fix it.
in elementary school.
Okay.
Everyone is inherently curious.
Really, bitch? Really?
Man was opening up his heart to you.
Tell me about yourself.
Bro, bye. Get out. Get out.
God, this shit is
Get
disrespectful as fuck.
Tyson is 19.
Oh my god, you're a baby.
am 19
okay,
years
I'm so
old.
sorry.
I'm not gagging.
When's the last time you went on a date?
Mm-mm.
6 months ago?
Really?
Yes.
No, like 5 months.
Why?
I had to eliminate the last person. She wasn't into the puppets.
I think a lot of people will not be into that shit.
Interesting.
Boop. Yep.
I'm 26. You got kids?
No, not yet.
I got kids.
What?
Yeah. Okay, well,
How are you next in the man?
I
like,
mean, I have kids, so yeah.
Oh,
You know, you got.
yeah, it was not gonna go the way you thought it was going. You thought though.
May I ask how tall you are?
5'4".
5'4". Cool. Oh, no. Ooh.
Yo, those are the funniest ones, bro. When they touch the button at the wrong time.
Too late.
Too late. I'm sorry.
I choose violence.
Fucked
What
up.
do you do for work?
A professional cuddler.
Nigga, what? Yo, honestly, this new generation of the world is like anything can be a job at this point. You're a professional cuddler? What the fuck are you cuddling?
Who's that?
I couldn't find anyone to babysit. So.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
We're gonna have to date someone who is dead.
He's getting X'd. Yeah, I knew it. Yo, those are so they were actually so funny, guys. Let me know which one of those was your favorite. I'll see you guys later, man. Don't forget to hit that like button and that sub button, man. Appreciate you.